Since its launch in late 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope has completely transformed our understanding of the universe. Designed to peer further into the cosmos than any human-made instrument before it, Webb promised to unlock the mysteries of the earliest galaxies, the birth of stars, and perhaps even the origins of life itself. But now, something has changed. The most powerful telescope humanity has ever built has captured phenomena so extraordinary, so unexplainable, that leading scientists are calling it a crisis in physics. From impossible galaxies to potential signs of life beyond Earth, James Webb's latest discoveries have shattered the limits of known science. What if everything we thought we understood about the birth and evolution of the universe was wrong? Stay with us, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at the night sky forever. It all started with a whisper in the cosmos. Faint signals from galaxies that defied all conventional understanding. In July 2023, a team of astrophysicists analyzing Webb's deep field data identified 3 peculiar galaxies. These galaxies were unlike anything seen before. Their light didn't conform to models of normal star formation. Instead, it hinted at something entirely new, something previously relegated to the realm of theoretical speculation: dark stars. Unlike the stars we know, powered by nuclear fusion, these theoretical giants would feed on dark matter itself. Dark matter makes up roughly 85% of the universe, yet it remains one of the deepest mysteries in all of physics. If these dark stars are real, they could have formed in the early universe, swelling to unimaginable sizes while shining faintly, almost invisibly. Scientists now speculate that they could explain one of the most persistent cosmic riddles: why black holes are so abundant, and why some of them are monstrously massive. The implications are staggering. If Webb has truly glimpsed the fingerprints of dark matter in these objects, the entire story of stellar evolution, and perhaps the architecture of the universe itself, may need to be rewritten. And Webb was only getting started. Next, the telescope turned its golden mirrors toward a distant exoplanet known as GJ1214b, a super-Earth orbiting a red dwarf roughly 40 light-years away. For years, astronomers dismissed this planet as unremarkable, hidden behind clouds and too hot to harbor anything interesting. But Webb's infrared instruments pierced through the thick shrouds of vapor, revealing a world that stunned researchers. Beneath those colossal clouds lay an alien water world, possibly covered in oceans as vast as Earth's, cloaked in thick layers of atmosphere and haze. Even more astonishing was the detection of methane, a molecule often linked to biological activity. Suddenly, a planet once considered lifeless became a prime candidate for habitability. Could life exist in such an alien environment? Webb's revelations suggest we may be closer than ever to answering that profound question. For the first time, humanity has begun to see worlds that mirror our own, not just in size or temperature, but in the very potential to sustain life. Then came the smoke. Not the smoke of fires or industry, but smoke from 12 billion years ago. Observing a galaxy at the far edge of the observable universe, Webb detected polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, organic molecules critical to life's chemistry and often produced by combustion. This galaxy's light had traveled for over 12 billion years to reach us. Thanks to gravitational lensing, which magnifies faint cosmic light, Webb captured these molecules with unprecedented clarity. Their presence so early in cosmic history suggests that the building blocks of life existed long before Earth itself formed. The implications are profound. If these essential ingredients were already drifting through space billions of years ago, life may not be a rare accident. It may be an inevitable consequence of the universe itself. Yet the telescope's revelations were only beginning. Webb's ultra-deep field, which once took Hubble 11 days to capture, revealed breathtaking galaxies in less than 24 hours. These galaxies were not only ancient but astonishingly dense and well-formed. According to current cosmological models, galaxies shouldn't reach such maturity for billions of years. Yet Webb found them thriving less than 600 million years after the Big Bang. Some contained black holes thousands of times more massive than the one at the center of the Milky Way. It was as if the universe had pressed fast forward, racing through its own evolution. Joel Leya, an astronomer at Penn State, admitted, "This is the most puzzling and intriguing collection of objects I've ever seen in my career. If these ancient giants exist, it may mean we've misunderstood the universe's earliest moments entirely." And then, Webb revealed something even stranger. A spiral galaxy, so perfectly symmetrical it seemed almost artificially designed. But the shock came when Webb captured not one, but two identical versions of this galaxy. Their spectral signatures, redshifts, and star clusters were perfectly mirrored. This was not gravitational lensing, it was an echo, a duplicate in both time and space. Some theorists have begun speculating about overlapping realities stitched into the very fabric of spacetime. Could this be the first observational evidence of a multiverse? Could Webb be capturing glimpses of parallel versions of our universe, hidden until now in the folds of space? Webb does more than see light, it senses the vibrations of the cosmos itself. In early 2024, while monitoring a dying star in the Carina Nebula, Webb recorded a steady, low-frequency pulse. When converted into sound, it resembled a heartbeat. Stars typically end in chaotic explosions, collapsing violently into black holes. But this one seemed deliberate, almost like a signal. Some compared it to a coded message, others to a cosmic Morse code. Could the universe itself be leaving messages as stars die? Or is this simply an unexplored phenomenon of physics? The question remains. The telescope's immense data stream is too vast for humans alone to analyze. That's why NASA integrated artificial intelligence into the process, feeding Webb's telemetry to machine learning models trained to identify anomalies. The AI did more than detect known objects, it flagged something extraordinary. In a vast void, empty of stars or galaxies, it detected a spiral not of matter but of gravitational distortions, bending spacetime itself like a whirlpool. The same faint anomaly had appeared in early Hubble data but was dismissed as noise. Webb confirmed it. An unknown entity pulses through the darkness, moving, bending, and twisting the cosmic fabric. Finally, Webb revealed what may be its most mind-bending discovery. Near the constellation Fornix, galaxies appeared to defy time itself. Their light signatures reversed with distance, galaxies farther away seemed younger than those closer to us. The redshift, a cornerstone of cosmology, was broken. Some physicists call this phenomenon a time fold. Others whisper about a glitch in reality itself. If confirmed, it means time may not be linear as we once believed. So here we are, standing at the precipice of cosmic understanding, staring into a universe that no longer obeys the rules we once trusted. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to confirm our theories, to illuminate the origins of the universe, to shed light on the unknown. Instead, it has rewritten the script of science itself. From dark stars hiding in the shadows of creation, to alien oceans, mirrored galaxies, vibrating stars, and time that bends, Webb is not merely revealing the universe. It is redefining it. And the most terrifying realization? This is only the beginning. If Webb's first steps into the cosmic unknown are this extraordinary, what comes next may not just challenge science. It may change our very perception of reality. So, what do you think? Has the telescope broken science, or has it set it free? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next discovery could rewrite not just astronomy, but the story of our place in the cosmos.